Welcome. Today, we are going to be painting some pumpkins. He's less enthused. So I saw this crafty little video on Facebook where this lady was painting pumpkins instead of carving them. And I have seen these over the past few years, but I never tried it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it. All right, so here's what you're gonna need. You got your pumpkins, decor over here, a foamy paintbrush, gold and silver Sharpie, and black and white paint. So this pumpkin, I think I wanna do black. Acrylic-based paint. Alright, so that concludes my pumpkin painting tutorial. As I saw it on Facebook, thought I could try it. Didn't turn out exactly like the post, but hey, close enough. Be sure to keep it pumpkin-y. Keep it Halloween, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Holy shit, okay. Isn't this just the cutest little pumpkin? It's just so cute. It's like the cutest little pumpkin, like, hey look, I'm a little pumpkin, but I'm here. I'm just a goober. Ow, fucking foot cramp! Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh! God, these pumpkins are gonna take forever to dry. I'm already over it. If a craft has to wait overnight to be completed the next day, I'm over it. This is why I do music or video editing or photography. It's relatively instant and on my time. Crafts, I can't make paint drying faster. I really cannot. Oh well, we got this little guy. He's cute just how he is. It's perfect. Perfect pumpkin.